today I'm going to be opening the Apple TV. Basically, I never opened Apple TV before, so let's start. I peeled out the peeler, so tonight. So, this is gonna take a while. So this is the Apple TV, right? I can just find the peel. Like, this thing is heavy. The back peel is Apple logo. Okay, next we do have the controller, of course. Like, is this controller so? Let's see. We need to find the peel. Is this the peel? Well, it feels soft and this one is heavy, very heavy. Like, there's what else? We still. Oh, it's a charger. There's an instruction manual. How do I even peel this? Well, it's for different languages. Okay. This is this thing is hard. Not inside. Is it? Oh. So this one just like goes towards the peel. I guess it's such a cool cable. Apple's like so cool. Like, I like your Apples. So what is this? There's a bunch of cables. Like, where does it go? Wait, there's another peel. Wow, I thought it was just this. Okay, like these are the components of this TV. Like, this is like there's so many places to put. This needs an adapter. Like, yeah. I think it's like you just plug clips here. I don't know what cable it is, but. And then this one is since, yeah, it's like it can't actually charge. The charger is only provided for the controller. Yeah. So it's like there's like plugged in. So with Apple, if you see this, I like actually unboxed this Apple TV. So it cost over $1,000. Wait, is this another peel? It's not another peel. Okay, thank you, Apple. I like this. It's so, but I think it's a bit heavy. The box, what they contain is also made the cable for the. Okay, but this cable not just only for the Apple controller, Apple TV controller. You can also control it on. You can also charge it on your iPhone, but except the iPhone 15 series, of course. And like I'm from iPhone 2G to iPhone 4S. So this is Plonio. So see you next time.